Any laptop motherboard, you should check this motherboard is short or not. How to confirm this motherboard is short or not, I will explain here. Don't give supply to motherboard. This is CPU power supply. This voltage goes out from these coils PL13 and PL14. PL13, see here, PL13, this is PL13, PL13, this is PL14, this is PL14, PL14, this is PL14, this is PL14, PL14. You should check here, this is short or not with multimeter. This is CPU supply coils. CPU supply goes to from this one. See here, no short here, no short here. So this is PL14, this is PL14, see here PL14. You should check here, this is short or not. No short here, no short here. This is 1.8 volt supply. This voltage goes to memory controller and memory slots. You should check here, this supply is short or not. You should check at this coil short or not. This is PL16. From this coil 1.8 volts goes to memory slot. This is 1.8 volts means DDR2. See here PL16, PL16. From this coil to voltage goes to 1.8 volts goes to memory slot. You should check here, this supply is short or not with multimeter. See here, no short here. So this supply is also no short, no short here. If motherboard shows 000 or 001, this supply is short, 421, no short here. This is 3 volts and 5 volts regulator. You see here PL19, this is 5 volt supply, PL7 3.3 volts. You see here PL18, PL19. You should check here PL19 short or not. See here PL19 and PL18. You should check here, no short here, 180 ohms. When this is 000, this also no short. PL18, this also no short. This is output coil or this is output coil. This is output coils. You should check here voltage is there or not. But in now this is short or not. You should check from this pin to ground. If it is short, in multimeter shows 000 or 001 or 002. That is short. No short, no continuity or some resistance is there, no short here. If it is short, you should check first that coil to ground components. See here, this is PL9. This supply goes to GMCH. You see this is short or not. From this coil PL9, you should check from this coil to ground. You should check here 001, 001, 001. That means this coil is short. First you should remove this coil and check short is there. See here, this is PL9, this is PL9. You should remove first this coil and check here short here or here. If it is short, you should check this transistors. If it is short, you should check this capacitors, and no short here. This voltage goes to GMCH, so GMCH chip is short. We will check that. We will remove this one PL9, PL9. This is PL9, this is PL9. See here, light is on, light is, so motherboard short is removed, but here no short, so short is there, no here short is there, so GMCH is short. So not short here, no short here, short is there, short is here. So you should, this components is okay, so this supply goes to GMCH, so GMCH short, you should remove that one. If circuit is not available any laptop motherboard, how to check motherboard is short or not? You see here, this is coils, this supply goes to CPU. First you should check here from this coil to ground, it is short or not. See here, this coil supply goes to this IC. You should check here, this is short or not. You should check here, this is short or not. This is one coil, this is one coil, this is one coil. So this is all these supplies you should check short or not. Next side, that side also you should check. If any short is there, you should check that pin to ground components. After you give supply, don't give supply first. First you should check cool checking without supply. You should check without supply.